So today I'm going to be doing a roof cleaning job. It's only a low roof with a very slight pitch on it, so it's not like, way up on a house somewhere with a real steep pitch. Weapon of choice. Okay, this is something I bought from Amazon a few weeks ago. I've not used it yet, and I bought it specifically to do this particular job and other jobs like it as well. This is a metal brush. Okay, it's got metal spines on it. Okay, so I'm hoping to stand on top of the roof and to sweep the moss off the roof. If that doesn't work, then I'll be putting my knee pads on and getting down and dirty and scraping it off with my scraper. Anyway, so I've got everything I need pretty much. I don't think I've forgot anything. So I'm going to crack on and get to the site and get to work. As you can see, it's not really coming off that easily. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is pop that down there, stop any moss from going down. It just lets water down. I'm going to give a good douse of water the roof. Hopefully that will encourage the moss off a bit more. I wonder if it'll come off easier then. No, it's not, is it? No, it's not. Right. I'm afraid I've got to get down and dirty with it, I'm afraid. There's no other way, I don't think. It's the only way it's going to come off, I think. Right, we're not making much headway, to be honest. This is going to be a tough. It's going to be a tough couple of hours. It's going to be a tough afternoon work, I think. Gosh, wow. Yeah, what a job to do, eh? This is going to take a long time to clean. Yeah. So it's just a matter of kind of going along now and trying to pick out as much as you can with your hands. It's been a long old job, this one. I don't know how long I've been here, maybe 2.5, 3 hours. I've done a fair bit of it. Looks pretty alright, to be fair. Scrubbing and scraping and picking up and whatever else really. So I'm just picking up what I can with my hands at the moment, and then I'm going to get the water on it and try and wash it down as much as I can, and then I'm hoping to give it a bit of a brush off to make it look really, really good. But you can't get everything off because there's moss kind of growing underneath as well, some of it. So all I can do is just the best I can do really with what tools I've got. I was kind of hoping that that new metal kind of brush was going to work for me, but that's turned out to be a bit of a flop, unfortunately. So I've put a lot of water on it, and it seemed to have helped loosen a lot of it up, so it makes it a little bit easier. Just a little bit, not much, but a little bit easier. I think my hands are taking one hell of a hammering at the moment. but I've wasted a pair of gloves. This stuff's really rough. Really rough. Anyway guys, I think I'll be here for about another hour and a half probably, so perhaps I'll bring you back when I'm a bit closer to finishing. It's going to take me a while yet. Right, so yeah, just finishing off now. Giving it a rinse, giving the roof a rinse off. Right, final inspection. I think it looks okay. It's not brilliant mine, but I couldn't get my jet wash on it, so I just had to do it by hand pretty much. One last job. Clean the windows, clean the conservatory, and then I think I'm done, basically. I'm no professional window cleaner, by the way. I'm not professional anything, to be honest. There's not a bit of moss on here, not a big bit anyway. Small little bits, but you'd be in a month of Sunday trying to get rid of absolutely everything. Make sure the gutter's clean. One last little look. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's okay. I was a bit disappointed with the brush I bought from Amazon. I thought it would do a much better job than what it did. It works really well on block paving apparently, but on slate roofs not so well. So I went back to just basically with a scraper, which seemed to do the trick okay. I think the people are quite happy with what I've done. I don't know, I kind of tied it up and then I left. I think they were having their evening meal. I didn't want to disturb them, but I'll probably text them later, make sure that they're okay with it, and then probably credit my account of £50 or £60 or something. But that was hard work today. I don't think I'm going to be bothering to do many more roofs. That was bloody hard work. Much easier if you've got a jet wash, but they didn't want me to use a jet wash, so I basically got a scraper and scraped it. But I think I did an okay job. With the jet wash you're going to get a much cleaner, quicker job, I think. But that was hard work. I think I'm just going to concentrate on the gutters from now on and the hedgehog system. I've been on the internet today and made myself some cards, so hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll be with me in a week or two's time, and so I can go around the area and I can put cards through people's letterboxes and advertise my services, and hopefully things will take off for me. Anyway guys, yeah, so my channel is not predominantly just based on drone flying. It's quite eclectic. I like to have a varied array of different subjects, things which kind of interest me, so just needed to add that in really. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, take care, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.